Okay, this week we'll discuss the amazing orange tree. There are some things in nature that are more remarkable to our human minds than other things. For instance, an elephant, a huge whale, an octopus, and many other such out of the ordinary things of nature that sort of catch our eye. However, tonight we'll see that with the proper glasses, even simple things that we are very, very used to are not simple at all. Let's study a tree, and specifically an orange tree. Even our very simplified explanation that we'll give will actually be quite an eye-opener. The ingredients of an orange tree is an orange pit, earth, water, sunlight, and time. The results is a wooden tree. How in the world did that happen? Is there wood in the earth? Is there wood in the water? Is there wood in the sunlight? If you grow a tree in a box of earth, and eventually the tree will weigh hundreds, if not thousands of pounds, this will be approximately the same amount of earth as when you started off. So where is that earth coming from? How is that happening? That's a miraculous change from a pit and earth into wood. Truly a miracle, right there. Every single tree has that same miracle. Next, we have leaves coming out of the tree. Many of us may know that there's this very, very amazing process called photosynthesis, with which all food is created. Without the process, and it's an extremely complicated process, and Be'ez Hashem, we will speak one time just about photosynthesis. Secular scientists call it a mind-boggling miracle. That's what secular scientists call it. And of course, how did that come about? Where did these leaves with these amazing machines inside the leaves? There's literally processes that are going on that are amazing beyond imagination. Next, after the leaves, we have the orange juice itself. Where did orange juice come from? It rained water. How do you change water into orange juice with just the little pit and sunlight and earth? How is that possible? No scientist in the world could pull that off. This is not an accident. But now we get to the part that's truly mind-boggling. And that is the actual orange juice parts that are in the orange. Let's explain. Let's take off the peel of the orange, and we're left now with a ball of orange slices. Let's take off one slice, so we're left with a triangular slice. Let's carefully, you may need a few slices to do this properly. Let's carefully pull down this very thin layer of like skin, this thin covering that's covering the stuff that's in the slice of orange. When you take off that layer, that thin layer, you will see hundreds of perfectly wrapped drops of orange juice. They're packed together in the most orderly and neat way. These are single drops of wrap. They're wrapped in little tiny wrappers. It's as if someone took a dropper, a dropper, and put it into a vat of orange juice, and then like squeezed it and got one drop, and he wraps it. Where did those wrappers come from? Where did the juice come from? Who wrapped up these drops of orange juice? There's an amazing, miraculous process that took place here. They are perfectly set up one against the other. It's as neat as can be. It's packaged beautifully. And behind every drop, there's like a little string that comes out of it, which attaches to the inside of the peels, which is where it gets its juice from. It's a miracle. Who wrapped this up? Go get an orange, take a tangerine, take a clementine, take a grapefruit, take a lemon, any citrus fruit, and look inside. Open it up and be amazed at this quiet miracle that we have been experiencing for years and never realized it. Check out the amazing gift of an orange. When you make a bracha, make it with much more kavanah. See the Yad Hashem that lies in every single orange. It's there for us to marvel at it. That's why Hashem made it this way. You could have made. You open the peel, and there's a bunch of ounces of orange juice in there. That's all. Very simple. And you spill it out and shine. No, perfectly wrapped. There's no mess. It's wrapped up perfectly. That's Yad Hashem. If you have any comments, I can be reached at Emunah with an H, EmunahAH explained.com. Thank you.